2. Good morning. Next song. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, We start from red. My favorite color is red. Yellow. My favorite color is yellow. I like yellow. I like yellow. Green. My favorite color is green. The next song is if more than one, we use S for the things like book to books, like table to tables. Yes, there is or there are song. Only one. Examples. There is one pencil. There are two pencils. There are three pencils. There are four pencils. There are five pencils. I can throw a ball. I can catch a ball. I can roll a ball. I can hit a ball. I can One more time. I can throw. Great. Short a sound. The letter is A, but the sound is A.
The letter is A, but the sound is A. We have to find the sound, not the letter A.
No.
We have to find the sound, not the letter A.
Examples. Cat, cat. Short a sound. The letter is U, but the sound is A.
The letter is U, but the sound is A.
We have to find the sound, not the letter U.
We have to find the sound, not the letter U.
Examples. Bus, sun. One more time. Examples. Bus, sun. Short a sound. The letter is E. The letter is E. We have to find the sound. They have to find the sound, not the letter E. Yeah? Okay. Examples. That. Okay. On above. Where is the pencil? Where is the pencil? One more time. On above. Where is the pencil? Okay. Sing now. What are you making? What are you making? Okay, sing the song shape. A circle, a triangle, a square, a diamond, and a rectangle.
Can you see a circle? Yes, I can. Can you see the triangle? Yes, I can. Can you see a square? Yes, I can. Can you see a diamond? Yes, I can.
A circle, a triangle, a square.
A diamond and a rectangle.
Can you see a circle?
Yes, I
Can you see a triangle?
can.
Yes.
I can.
Can you see a square?
Yes, I can.
Can you see a rectangle?
Yes, I can.
Okay, let's sing the song. Do, 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 do. Today I am wearing, today he is wearing, today she is wearing, today they are wearing. What? Wearing a cap, he's wearing a shirt, she's wearing a skirt, they're wearing a jacket. Sing how to use is and are. We use is to talk about. We use are to talk about. We use is to talk about. One object. Examples. Use is or are. Now rank. Yuta, Kelvin and Rafa, Andin and Shakila, Taki, Fano and Sasa, table, table and chair, chairs. Chairs? Because there is S more than one. So, chairs is or are? Chairs, there is S. R. Yes, no, okay, S. Chairs. More than one. Is or are?